Hey everybody, my name's Nate Huntsinger. I'm the owner of this 1977 Chevy C10 Cheyenne. I'm going to take you along for a ride along and do my best to answer or address any questions people have been having about the truck, or tell you a little bit about the truck aside from what's in the ad. I'm active duty military. I am in Honolulu, Hawaii because I'm stationed here. I'm originally from Pennsylvania. The truck is titled and registered in Pennsylvania. Understand being in Honolulu, it's hard for people to see the truck. I'll do my best to tell you everything about it. The pictures, I think, speak for themselves as well as the video. I will pay to ship the vehicle to Long Beach, California for the winning bidder. You would just have to make your way there to get it. That's about 800 bucks. I have the reserve pretty low, so I think it'll sell. This truck is unbelievable for being 45 years old. It really has been taken care of. I'm sitting in my garage right now. This is where I keep the truck and where the previous owners kept the truck. There's like no rust on this truck. I mean, there's a little maybe surface rust here and there, but there's no rot anywhere on this truck. It's amazing. And it's largely original, with the exception of it being lowered and suspension work being done. You would really not take much to put this back to original. I wanted to keep the truck. I'm going to school. I'm retiring from the Army. I just don't have time to work on it. I was going to turn it into an autocross truck and drop an LS in it, have some fun with it, but I just don't have time for it. The engine is numbers matching. It's the original engine from 1977, which is amazing, and it runs like a champ. AC blows cold. Just had the compressor replaced, and it's got R12 in it. 12-bolt rear. American Racing wheels. Again, a lot of this stuff is in the ad, but let me take you on a quick ride along, and I'll think of some more things as we go. Okay, here we go. It's got a 5.7 drop on the suspension. It's got a really cool rake. You can probably tell from the pictures. I think it looks really nice. It's pretty low to the ground, so you got to take it easy over speed bumps, which, you know, most people do anyway when you got a lowered vehicle. The suspension, with the exception of the springs and the shocks and the spindles, is pretty much all stock. The C-notch and the axle flip in the back is done really well. You can check those pictures out. Really stiffened up the body nice. As I mentioned, the air conditioning is blowing cold. You'll see the infrared thermometer showing how cold that's blowing. It's got MagnaFlow exhaust. You can probably hear that a little bit when I start it up. It sounds really good. The engine tag says 305 with a 2-barrel. Again, the choke works really nice. Just set it in the morning, fire it up, let it warm up a little bit, and take off. No issues there. Headliner's in great shape. New dash pad. The seat's new. The carpet seems to be original. I mean, looks in great shape. You can certainly replace that if you want, but I really don't see the need. Power steering is original. Power brakes. Everything works in terms of the lights. The headlights, the turn signals work. What else works? Brake lights, reverse. Pretty much everything works on it, which is sometimes hard to find. The only thing I'm addressing right now with the truck is the gas gauge. The gas gauge works, but it doesn't go all the way down to E. So right now, just above quarter of a tank is empty. I'm going to work to get that addressed. But right now, just being perfectly honest, that's the only thing that I know that's wrong with the truck, is the fuel gauge is not reading correctly for empty, which is important to know. If you get close to a quarter of a tank, you're getting on E. I'm going over some speed bumps right now, so I'm trying to take it slow. The truck's a great cruiser. It runs really well on the straight. I'm on Fort Shafter, Hawaii right now, so I have to kind of take it slow anyway till I get off base. once I get on H1 here, which is, you know, the one interstate here in Hawaii, I can really get up to speed. I got the windows down right now so you can really hear the exhaust. The note's got a nice tone to it. It sounds pretty beefy for a 305. Everybody thinks there's a 350 in it. You can see from the pictures the bed is really solid, even the undercarriage as well. You would swear this truck was like maybe 5 years old. It's incredible how nice it is. I'm really sorry I have to sell it, to be honest with you. But I know someone will enjoy it for what it is, or even take it even further. Let this guy go. It's got a turbo hydromatic 350 in it. I think it's the numbers matching, but I couldn't see any stamps anywhere on it. I looked all over, but it'd be reasonable to think, since it's a number matching engine, it's also the number matching trans. You can see from the pictures underneath there, it looks equivalent to the engine. Let's see, what else? These door panels have been replaced. Manual windows, window cranks here. What else? All the gauges work, with the exception of the fuel gauge reading accurately. The gauges work pretty well. The glass appears to be original all the way around, from what I can tell. The hood is aftermarket, and everything else appears to be original. One more stoplight up here and we'll get on the highway. The brakes are awesome. I mean, this thing stops on a dime. The disc brakes in the front, drum in the back. Shift's really good. You probably heard it go through the gears there, shifting. Just had the transmission serviced as well. So new transmission fluid in the tranny. This thing's laser straight. I mean, I've got the on ramp here. I mean, hands free. This thing's running great. I'll answer any questions you have in the chat. A little bit of traffic right now. I'll go up here and pull over because I understand it's a little loud. I'm using my command voice from being in the Army because I know it's pretty loud right now. Nice 75 degrees here in Hawaii today. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to take you to the ocean. That would be a long video. I'm about 20 minutes from the water. electric choke. Sorry here, I'm trying to concentrate because there's a lot of traffic. I'm filming this during rush hour traffic. There's only so many places you can drive here in Hawaii. It's not like on the mainland, you got miles and miles of road with nobody around. Alright, I'm getting off here at this next exit. Even the ashtray and the cigarette lighter still work. So I can plug my USB charger in there and charge my phone in this old truck. I'm just amazed by this truck, how nice it is for how old it is. Again, for drivability, it's pretty smooth. Again, it's a cruiser. Given the 5.7 drop, you just have to take it easy over you know, bounces and potholes and really the speed bumps for the most part. I mean, I'm pulling up into appears to be some type of industrial complex here. It's after the duty days, so I'll find somewhere to park where it's quiet and finish up with you. There we go, there's a spot right here. Okay, well, good luck with the auction. If there's any questions you have, just put them in the chat. No leaks, so that's another thing. No leaks on this thing. No rear main seal leaks, no transmission leaks, no differential leaks, power steering, radiator. I mean, all the fluids are where they're supposed to be on this truck. And again, blows cold. Just had the compressor replaced. All the gauges work. Like I said, I should be able to get the fuel gauge addressed, but if not, that should be a simple fix for somebody. Given how well the truck represents in the pictures and the fact that this is the original engine from 45 years ago, I mean, somebody, that might appeal to somebody. All in all, I think it's going to be a great addition to someone's collection or a buy. I know C10s are pretty popular right now. So anyway, remember, I will pay to ship the vehicle to the port of Long Beach, California. So if you are already in California, all you got to do is go get it if you're the winning bidder. All right, everybody, God bless you. Have a great day and happy bidding.